everyone, Chef Anna here. Today we're going to be kicking off our Texas Tuesday Farm Fresh Challenge with a recipe featuring Texas onions. Our recipe today features the Texas onions caramelized and sauteed to perfection with our skin-on roasted potatoes to create that nice balance of savory and sweet. In your curbside pickup, you should have received a container with the following: some sliced Texas onions, our roasted skin-on potatoes, and a container of oil. Some additional items you're going to need for today's recipe are going to be 2 separate baking sheets. They can either be a pan, saute pan, and a baking sheet, or 2 baking sheets will work as well, a spoon or a spatula, and an oven preheated to 400 degrees. Now that we have everything we need, let's get started. Alright, so first thing we're going to do to get these onions caramelized and sauteed up real nice is we're going to take them out of our container here. We're going to place them on our baking dish, baking sheet, whatever you choose to use. And then we've got our cooking oil here, and we're literally just going to drizzle a tiny bit of that. Probably not going to use quite all that's in there. You just want to get them nice and coated, but you don't want to drown them. Okay? And then at this point you can use your spoon, or I like to use my hands to just kind of toss those in that oil to coat them. Spread them out nice and even. And those are going to be ready to go in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes, just until they're nice and golden brown and they get nice and soft. Then we're going to take our roasted skin-on potatoes and we're going to spread those out on our baking sheet, just like this. And those are also going to go in the oven at 400 degrees, but they're going to take about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to make sure some of the larger chunks are cooked all the way through, they get nice and crisp and golden brown, and that's just how we want them before we're going to toss them with our onions. The reason we're doing these separately is because these are obviously, if we're doing these for 10 to 12 minutes, are going to cook a little bit faster than these will, so we don't want to burn our onions while we're waiting on these to get nice and crispy. So then you get that nice mix of your soft caramelized onions and your nice crispy roasted potatoes. So we're going to do this separately in the oven at 400 degrees, and we'll see you back in a minute. So while those are cooking, let's take a second to look at some of the health benefits of these Texas onions. First, they're full of antioxidants and compounds that fight inflammation. These are the same compounds that also decrease triglycerides and reduce cholesterol levels. All of the above can also lower your risk of heart disease. And while they're at it, those same anti-inflammatory properties can reduce high blood pressure. Alright, so these are out of the oven and ready to go. If you don't have access to an oven, no problem. Stick around till the end of the video and we'll give you your microwave instructions for this recipe. Now that we've got our caramelized onions, here I'll give you a little look at these. They're nice and brown, golden brown. We've got some crispy bits on there, but they're just nice and soft and caramelized. We're going to take these out of here and we're going to toss these in with our potatoes here. And we're just going to toss those together just like so. Super easy, super simple. We've got our Texas caramelized onions and potatoes with our fresh Texas onions. We hope you enjoyed this Texas Tuesday featuring our Texas onions and learned that an onion a day can also keep the doctor away. Coming up, we'll be having another Texas Tuesday in your curbside meal bag on Monday the 19th featuring Texas celery. And in the meantime, always remember to fuel up your body so you can fill up your mind. See you next time!